Welcome to the Lectric Service Center. Today, we'll be showing you how to install the XL Pannier bags on your Lectric Expedition. The XL Pannier bags require the Expedition running boards. If you have not yet installed them and need some help, please watch this video to learn how to do that. To assemble the pannier bags, first unbuckle the 3 straps and open up the pannier bag. Inside, you'll find 3 inserts that help the pannier bag keep its shape. Lay flat the large insert at the bottom of the bag. Then, undo the Velcro on the inside portion of the bag and slip in one of the small plastic inserts. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Next, close the bag by unfolding the side flaps and flipping the lid. Attach the side flaps to the Velcro on the side of the bag. Then buckle the 3 straps, loosening or tightening them as needed. Repeat this process to assemble the second pannier bag. To secure the pannier bag to the rear rack, unhook each strap at the top of the bag. Loop each one around the rear rack, feeding them through their corresponding buckles. Make sure that the straps are tight enough so that there is little to no movement while riding, and the bag will stay secure. Finally, unhook the Velcro straps at the bottom of the pannier bag. Make sure to feed the strap in between the running boards and the frame of the bike. Loop the strap around the underside of the running boards and feed it through the buckle to secure the bag down. Once done, repeat this process on the opposite side. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our customer support team at contact@lectricebikes.com or give us a call at 602-715-0907. Thanks for watching.